Hey everyone, this is Cody with Underground Metal Detecting. I just wanted to show you guys something new we got in the mail today. This is a Lifebasis CS1 Ultrasonic Cleaner. I've never used one of these guys before, but I usually just tumble my coins. But I wanted to see if there's a way to get this coins we dig out of the ground a little bit cleaner. I just wanted to show you guys something here. This is for jewelry, if you have watches. And of course I got it caught in there. But if you can see, I just tumbled some modern clad. Look at the debris you see inside of this thing. I do my copper pennies and clad pennies separate from the nickels, dimes, and quarters. But I gave them, it goes up to 480 seconds is the highest amount of time for a cycle. I'll show you guys here. These are the pennies I got cleaned out of there. Of course, the Canadians are almost perfect. You can see the discoloration from just wiping the coins dry. So that's what I got out of the copper. Of course, these are the destroyed zinc pennies. Can't really do much for those, but I wanted to see how they would turn out. All these other ones, though, these are all wheat cents at the bottom. Quite clean. Got most of the staining off. I'll unwrap the nickels, dimes, and quarters, and you can see the same thing, the dark staining that managed to come off of these things. So even though I tumble them and get them ready to be able to be sent through a Coinstar, cash them in, or save them if I see details on them I want to keep, the ultrasonic cleaner actually did a pretty good job getting excess debris off of these. So now I'm able to see what I've collected, keep the keepers, separate the ones I just want to cash in a Coinstar, but all that extra debris came off. We've never done anything but tumbled them before, so you see that does add a bit more cleaning to your coins. I got this thing from Lifebasis, and I have these available. Well, they have them available on Amazon. So I'm going to put a link in the description and let you guys check these out.